Welcome back, learners. Today we are going to start our new chapter, My Body EVS, chapter number 2. I baked this gingerbread man with mummy. Help me to complete its face by drawing the given parts. Now, here there is a gingerbread. Here you have to draw eyes, eyebrows, ears, nose, hair, and mouth. Okay, let's try to draw. Suppose this is eyes. This is an activity that you have to do in your textbook. Suppose this is my eyes. Eyebrows are above the eyes. Then ears. Write it down 3. So, and the mirror image of 3, it will look like ears. Nose, draw a L. This will be your nose. Hairs, here you can draw small hairs. And a mouth. So big smiley will be your mouth. Okay. So this activity you have to do in your textbook. Let's move on to the explanation. Follow my spotlight. Sing with your teacher. Here there is a rhyme that we have to sing. Put a finger on your cheek. Then put it on your nose. Turn your fingers round and round and put them to your toes. Make them do a little dance. Make them climb a hill. Give them a clap for being good and put them where they are still. So here there is a rhyme. Try to practice it on the next page. Our body has different parts. Each part of the body is important. Let's learn their names. Here all the body parts are given. First, let's start with the right hand parts. Head, eye, this is your nose, one little nose, mouth, shoulder, chest, stomach, wrist, hand, fingers, leg, ankle, ear, face, neck, arm, elbow, waist, knee, foot, toes. So these are all the body parts. Now head part, hair, eyes, cheeks, forehead, eyebrow, ear, nose, chin. And the mouth part are teeth, mouth, tongue, lips. So these all are our body parts. Each part of our body does some work. We can do many things with our legs. Now, which all things we can do with our legs? We can run, jump, dance, kick. Okay? Next page. We can do many things with our hands. We can eat, hold, pick, write. I can point with my fingers. If you want to point somebody, you can point it with your fingers. Next, we do some things using both our hands and leg. So, for crawling, our hands and legs both are in use together. March, exercise, skip, swim. So, for these activities, our hands and legs both work together. Next, we use our back and shoulders to push and carry things. For pushing and carrying things, back and shoulder work together. I can also shrug my shoulders. This is the girl is shrugging her shoulders. Now grannies ask, as you grow up, you become taller and heavier. What happens to the size of your clothes and shoes? Like whenever we are growing, our size of the shoes and clothes that is decreasing. Okay, so we have to put a tick mark over here. Okay, so options are increases, decreases, remains same. So whenever we are increasing, the size of clothes and shoes are decreasing. Okay, next let us move on to the video of this chapter.
My body. Sing along with me. Put a finger on your cheeks, then put it on your nose. Turn your fingers round and round and point them to your toes. Make them do a little dance, make them climb a hill. Give them a clap for being good and put them where they are still. Hello friends, I am Ria. I am going to tell you about the various parts of our body. The topmost part of our body is the head. It has hair and face. The face has forehead, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks, mouth and chin. Our mouth has teeth and tongue. We taste food with the help of our tongue. Teeth help us to bite and chew the food. Below the face is our neck. It joins the head to the rest of the body. We can move our neck to the left or right. It helps us to see things around us. Below the neck are the chest, shoulders, arms, stomach and waist. Each arm has elbow, wrist, hand and fingers. Do you know that we all have 2 hands and 8 fingers and 2 thumbs? Then come our legs. Each leg has thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heels, foot and toes. Each part of our body does some work. We can jog, jump, dance and kick with our legs. We use our hands to eat food, hold things, pick up things and write in a book. We can even use our fingers to point at things. While marching, exercising, skipping and swimming, we use both our hands and legs. Even a baby which crawls uses both the legs and the hands. Look at the man pushing a car. He is using his back and shoulders to push it. I also use my shoulders and back to carry my bag to school. I can also shrug my shoulders.
So this is a video. Now let's move on to the exercise part. Name the body parts with the help of the clues. Here arrow is being made. Okay, that is our clue. With the help of this arrow, we have to find out which is this body part. So this is pointing towards eye. So this body part is eye. EYE. Next, this arrow is pointing to the face. So body part is face. FACE. This body part is pointing to nose. So this is NOSE, nose. This body part is wrist. WRIST. This is leg. LEG. This is feet. FEET. Now this is hair. HAIR. This is head. HEAD. This is ear. EAR. This is arm. ARM. This is hand. HAND. This is toe. TOES. 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 Now next exercise. Circle the correct answer. I have black or brown hair. Whatever your color of hair is, that you have to circle. My hair colors are black. Usually Indians have black color texture of their hairs. I have long or short hairs. My hairs are long, so I am circling long. If you have short hairs, you have to circle short hair. I have small or big feet. My feet are small, so I am circling small. If your feet are big, then you have to circle big. I have white teeth or yellow teeth, so my teeth texture is white. I have curly hair or straight hair. My hairs are straight, I am circling straight. According to your body part, you have to select the answer. Fill in the blanks, use words from the box. Here there is a helping box. There are some words: 5, 2, legs, hand, 2. We have to select from these options and write it down in the blanks. First number. Okay, let me move ahead by scrolling our book down. Okay, so my dash help me to walk. My dash help me to walk. So the answer will be my legs. Which body part helps us to walk? My legs help me to walk. Now cut the option. This option we have already used. I have dash fingers in one hand. So I have 5 fingers. Write it down. Answer option is given 5. FIVE. Cut the option from the helping box. Okay. I have dash hands and dash feet. So I have 2 hands and 2 feet. TWO. TWO. 2 hands and 2 feet. So cut this option. I use my dash to write. And the last option left, that is hand, and correct answer is hand. HAND. I use my hand to write. Okay, so here our exercise and chapter ends. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Adu Saraswati. Thank you.